Today I'm going to show you how to use AcuPick to search for human targets in playback on a recorder. The first thing you're going to want to do is right-click on the main view and click on Search. Then select the cameras that you want to search on. Select the date and time. Then click on the timeline for where the targets are expected to be. When you find the target you want on the playback, click the AcuPick icon, then click the magnifying glass icon below the target. You can adjust the filters on the left for the date and time range, and then adjust the similarity at the top. Once you find the clip you want, double click on it, and it'll play the few seconds before that and a few seconds after. You can click around on the different clips from the different cameras to see all of the views of that target within that date and time range.